If someone were to search your business name, could they find you? Could they leave a review? Could they even ask a question? How could they find out about the business days and the hours that you're open? Well, if you're not sure, I have one answer for you. You could go ahead and set up your Google My Business account. And guess what? It's free. If you're not sure how, let me go ahead and show you. It's a pretty easy process, but I'm going to do a step-by-step for you. So this could work for any direct sales or any business whatsoever. The main thing that you would, no matter what business you have, it would depend on your keywords. So for this demonstration, I am going to use jewelry simply because I have a jewelry store. But no matter what business you have, whether it's cosmetics or perfume, candles, whatever, find the keywords that fit for your categories, and I'll show you how. Let's go forward. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you guys, and I'm going to make myself minimized because, I'm not that important. Okay, so here you have the main screen of Google My Business. The very first thing that you need to do, if it's not already done, is you need to create yourself a Google account, which will include a gmail.com account also. This will link all of your information together in one place so that it'll be easy for you to find later on. I think Google is a great product. I think they're very safe. I always try to allow two-step verification in anything that I do. And Google has a great way of doing that. That is to help protect you against hackers. Okay, so once you've got that in and you've opened up and signed in at Google My Business, the first page you're going to be at is the home page where you can go ahead and add your location. As you see, I have had my business verified and I have a practice one within, but I'm going to go ahead and start by scratch for this one. So this one, I'm going to go ahead and add a location. I'm going to do that. How? I'm going to go over here and click on Add Location to the right in the blue box. When you click that, it's going to ask if you want to open up a single location or do you want to import locations. And for this demonstration, I'm going to add a single location. Click on that button and it's going to open up another window where you then will say find and manage your business. But how would anyone do that? They would have to type in your business name, the same as we're going to do right now. The name of my business is Jewel Tones, but whatever your business is, this is where you would enter that information in. So go ahead and type in the name of your business in this space. Oops, I'm just typing away. And type the name of your business in this space. Once you've hit that, create a business with this name. And another window will open up asking you what's the name of your business, and you should have your business name that you just entered. We're going to go ahead and click next because of course we want to use this service, and continuing means that we have agreed to the terms of service and privacy. So you can click the blue box that says next. The next window will open up where you will have to choose a category. And this will help customers to find if they're looking for businesses like yours. Now, if you're in the cosmetics industry, some of your keywords, let me see, could be cosmetics. Let's go ahead and go through this. Cosmetic stores, cosmetic industry, and you could choose what's works for you or whatever works for your industry. Now, for me, I sell jewelry, as I stated. So I'm going to type in the keyword jewelry, and this opens up several items also. So I'm going to click on jewelry store because I certainly am a store and I certainly sell jewelry. We can add more later. I think there is a maximum of 3 and we definitely will utilize those. So the next one we're going to go ahead and choose, and we're going to choose next. And we're going to continue with adding a location. Now, can customers visit the store or is it like a store office? Now, for me, I have my store mainly as a website, and only personal people and friends come to my home. But you actually may have a location where you want people to come and visit. So if you want people to come and visit your store, you click yes. And if you don't, you just click no. For this demonstration, I will click yes, simply because I want to show you the full process. Okay, but if you want to click no, there's the only thing different. Let's go ahead and click yes. And then I'll come back and I'll show you what happens if we click no. What's the address? Here's where you'll enter the address, 1313 Mockingbird Lane. Does anybody remember where that's from? I don't know why I remember that so well. Mockingbird Lane was where Herman and Lily Monster lived. 1313 Mockingbird Lane. Okay, that's okay. So it put in there that it's DeSoto, Texas, but of course you would enter your address where it is. We'll go ahead and click next. Do you also serve customers outside of this? Like, do you deliver to your customers? Do you let them, meet them different places? And you say you can let them know that. Yes, I also serve them outside of my location, or no, I don't. I would put no, I don't. And next, make sure you click next. You want to make sure that you enter as much pertinent information as possible, because the more information that you have that's completely filled out, the more that Google has, the more information for you that they have to go ahead and push out. Let's go ahead and click on the contact details. Well, here's where we'll put our telephone number. Enter this number here if you have a contact number. If you do not, I would not worry about it whatsoever. Okay, so this would be my telephone number if anyone wanted to contact me about my jewelry. And of course, if they wanted to come to my website or to your website, this is where you have the opportunity to enter that information. Now, if you see I don't need a website or get a free website based on your info, you are certainly welcome to go ahead and take advantage of that opportunity or not. So let's go ahead and enter your current website. And we can also click next after this. Once this step is done, let's finish and manage this this listing. So let's go ahead and click finish, and we're going to go into a little bit more detail once this is done. Now, once you have your listing up and running, you will receive, before you can have it up and running, you must be verified by Google. The way that you are verified is they will send a postcard to your location, and it will arrive in 5 days. And it's usually very accurate within arriving in that time. When you receive that postcard from Google, it will have a number in it, and you can go back and verify your listing. Excuse me. Or you can have them, depending on the size of your, depending on your size, you can verify later. And sometimes it gives you the option of even, it gives you the option of even having it verified right then. That's pretty cool. Okay. So that's how you get verified there. I just wanted to show you guys, and let me go ahead and click this so I can go ahead and go forward. All right, the postcard is coming to 1313 Mockingbird Lane. I'm going to go ahead and continue. And now you'll come to your home page. When you get to this, it's very important because you got a lot of work to do. Man, not really a lot, but very important work for sure. So let's go over here to the right-hand side, scroll down until we get, we have all, we're not scrolling down, but you need to complete your listing. It's in the middle. Let's go ahead and add our hours, our description, our logo, and all of that information, because it's very important that we get all information within, this. So let's go ahead and add our hours, because this is what people need to know. They need to know, when do we open? Well, for me, you can put that they're open, and it gives you the opportunity to get the time that you open and the time that you close. For me, I have a website, so I'm open 24 hours every single day. But if I were a business that were closed on Sundays, that would be very easy to do. I would click close, but I'm open on every other day. Okay? So if I were open from 9 to 5, guess what? That is what I can put, 9 to 5. And I can make this go all the way on, and so they're all filled out, 9 to 5 for each one. And once that's done, of course, you will click apply and go on to your next step. So we'll just stop here at this time. I'm going to click apply. Oh, well, it's forcing me. We're going to go ahead and do 24 hours for everything else. And then we'll click apply. Once we get to this step, we'll be taken back to another window where we will have our profile. This is where you really need to go into detail. You have your business name here. We have the jewelry store, and we're going to go ahead and add another category. I'm also going to we're going to click add another category, and it's going to open up another box. Now, you, as I said, will go through and find keywords that are relevant to your business. I'm going to also put in costume jewelry shop. And I believe another is fashion accessories store. These are the only ones that I know of for our category in jewelry sales. If you know of any other, please go ahead and comment and list it below. I would love to hear the different categories. I love to learn. So please go ahead and help me with that. We're going to go ahead and apply. Let's go ahead. Once we hit apply, of course, it's going to open up another window so we can enter some more information. So at this time, we have all of our categories. This is very important because if someone's looking for costume jewelry, there we are. We're listed. If someone's looking for a jewelry store, we are listed again. And if someone's looking for fashion accessories, there we are again. So I believe these are the only ones that are relevant to our business. Please, as I stated, go through. If you see any more, please put it in the comments. Let us know. I'll be glad to add it to not only mine, but to let everyone know that there are other categories. We already put our address and add our service area. Let's go ahead and click on that. We can let customers know where our business provides deliveries, if you do deliveries at all, or your services. Okay, so I'm going to leave this way. You'll go ahead and enter your information. You'll click apply. You would do your home city. And we have our hours. So we have that. Now, with the holidays coming, we need to add our special hours because Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's Eve and whatnot are coming. But we are still open. And if you're not, don't put the hours. Let's go ahead and confirm our hours for Christmas Eve. As I stated earlier, yes, I am open. I'll be open from 9 to 5 as usual because of the day. Here, Christmas Day, I'm closed. I want to spend it with my family. New Year's Eve, we are absolutely open from 9 to 5, but New Year's Day, I think we'll be closed again. And it will help you, and it will go through some of the upcoming holidays. And yes, I will be open for Martin Luther King Day. And then once you've done all your holidays that it suggests for you that are upcoming, click apply. Once your new window opens up, let's scroll back down. We've entered our telephone number. Also, we've entered our jewel tones. And here you can add a menu URL so that people can go directly to your home station. Add or edit products here. You can add them. Get started, add products to your business profile, and show what you have on stock. This can be done and should be done, in my opinion, at least every day, because this shows that you have current inventory and you always have something new and coming. And it also shows people that I like what you have. Now, this is very important. These attributes are very important for everyone to have. If you have a website store, then no, you're not going to have a wheelchair accessible elevator. You're not going to have any of these entrances. I do have an entrance and I do have the parking lot. These are very important because if someone is in a wheelchair, they'd like to know, like, wow, we want to come to your store, but do they have it accessible for us? And yes, if you do, please let them know, click apply. And if you don't, that's an attribute that you will not have on your store. Let's go ahead and scroll down to other amenities. Oh, I should have scrolled down. I'm sorry. Other amenities. Do we offer gift wrapping? I do. We have free Wi-Fi. Do they stay long enough? Yes. But are they worried about Wi-Fi? When my customer comes, the one thing they want is they want to shop till they drop. So highlight also when you scroll down is a veteran. If you're a U.S. veteran, go ahead, and it means veteran-led. For me, it is a woman-led. These are great things because people shop with who they want. And if you're a veteran or a woman, that's a great thing. If you offer appraisals, installation service, repair service, or anything other that is listed on here, please also put that information. Also, if you accept checks and or cash only, click there. Now, if you are doing credit cards, please list all the credit cards that you list by clicking on them individually. If you also accept debit cards, also click on your debit cards and continue scrolling. Now, if you're planning and you're LGBTQ friendly, please go ahead and click that. Once you've clicked everything, go ahead and click apply. And that is very important that you have those different information in. You need to go ahead and add your business description. The more that you fill out, the better. Add opening date, and adding photos goes right along with what I was saying, that I think that you should post photos every single day. When you're adding inventory to your website or to your business, no matter what industry you're in, you can take a picture of that and go ahead and upload it so people know like they're interested in your products. That's why you have this. And this will show you pretty much what you've done. So that's how you set up, really set up, easily set up. Hold on, I'm sorry. This is a great way, and I hope that this has really helped you guys to learn how to set up your Google My Business for success. This is the holidays, and the more eyes we get our business the more eyes that see our business and get our information, then the better we'll do, and the better and the more people will be able to get information out there too. So thank you for hanging in here with me for these few minutes, and I hope that I've given you information that is of value. Please stay tuned. There's a lot more information coming up. I appreciate you. I thank you. And you know what? I'm sure I'll see you soon. You guys have a great weekend. And if I don't see you before the holidays, happy holidays. Thank you and Merry Christmas.